In this lesson, we're gonna learn how to delete items from Firebase Firestore. Okay, let's try to delete KFC and juice. First, we don't need those functions anymore. Add category and add food. So let's delete those functions. And let's create a function, const test delete item. Just you have to type Firestore dot collection, and you have to use to select the collection name. You can get the collection name from Firebase Firestore, as you see here. For example, we want to delete something from categories, so let's copy it and paste it here. Okay, then we have to select the document key. Here we should add the document key. Where can we get it? We can get it from our flat list data. For example, let's log those categories. Log. That's the data of our categories. I want to format them. So to format them or to beautify them, just stringify them first and add those two parameters. Now and 3. Now they are formatted. I mentioned we want to delete the KFC. The key of KFC is that key. Okay, let's copy it and paste it here. What next? Next, we should select the method of delete. Here we can update, here we can delete. Then you can use the then and catch methods. And finally also to create callbacks if you want to show alert or something. For example, inside then alert category deleted, and finally .catch alert error happened. Now let's try to delete the KFC. Let's copy that function and add a test button right now with title test delete on press test delete item. Now we when press on that item, the KFC should be deleted. Let's try. Great, category deleted. Now we want to delete the juice, so let's copy the key of it. Let's search with juice. That's the title of juice. That's the image URL. That's the key of it. So let's cut it or copy it and paste it at the top here. Okay, and let's try to delete that juice. Great, we have deleted that category. Now let's try to delete some foods. So instead of logging the categories, let's log the food to see which one we want to delete. We have here the super dish. Let's delete it. Let's copy the key of it and paste it here. But don't forget to replace the category collection name with foods collection name. The foods was, yes, like that. That's the collection name of foods. So let's paste it here. Let's replace that with food deleted. Now let's try to delete that super dish. Let's press here. Great, it's deleted from our Firebase Firestore. Let's delete also that duplicated one. Fish with salad. So let's open our console and see fish with salad and fish with salad. That's the key. Let's pick any one of them and let's paste it here and let's save and let's test delete. Great, we have deleted one of them. But it doesn't make any sense. We want to add a close icon here or delete button. When we press on it, we delete that category. So now let's create that close button or delete button. Let's remove that function. We don't need it anymore. And let's remove the button too. Let's go to category, component, just right click on it and go to definition and press here twice. So now we are in category card. Let's add a button to delete. Now we want to increase the height of that component. Let's make it 120 and let's increase the flat list that contain it. For example, that view, let's make it like that. Okay. I know it's not the best UI, but it's not a UI course, it's a Firebase course. If you want to learn how to create a wonderful UI, I left you a link in the description. You can check it and you can go and learn how to create an amazing UI using React Native, okay? So now, to not waste your time, let's add our function. By the way, you can get the function from Firebase documentation. If you open Google and just type React Native Firebase and go here and just press on Cloud Firestore, press on usage and go down until you reach the delete that removing data. Yes, it's here. Just press on here. That's the removing data function. That's to remove the full item and that's to remove a field from the item. Okay, so now let's copy that code. Let's import first and let's create our function. Const delete item. And let's put inside that function, let's put that code. Firestore.collection, let's format it. Firestore.collection, you have to add here the collection, the right collection name. You can get it from our Firebase Firestore, but I remember it, it's categories. And here you should put your key, your item key, as we've done that before from that data in flat list. So to make that, we want to pass it as props. So let's add a property called key or item key. And let's add it as a props. To fix that TypeScript warning, we just add it like that and put the type of it to make it string. If you're not familiar with TypeScript, don't worry about that step. And finally, let's replace user with category. And inside that button, on press, delete function. Finally, in home screen, we need to pass the data of the key. That property, item key, is gonna be item.key. We can get it from here, item.key. That's title, image rate, and that's the key. Okay, so now let's press save. And now let's test deleting from our Firebase. Let's delete that item. When we press delete, oops, it's not deleted. What's wrong? Let's try to log our item key to see. Why it's not deleted? Maybe that collection name it's wrong or something. Let's copy it from here. Oh, the collection name was wrong. We have to type it like that because it's like that in Firebase. If you look at Firebase, it's named with that key, with that collection name. So let's copy it. You should copy it and paste it here. Like that. So now let's remove that log and let's try to delete that category. Okay, so now let's press delete. Now it's deleted. Wonderful. So now let's delete that pizza. Great, we have deleted our pizza. Let's delete that French fries. Great, we can delete it right now. That's great. Now let's make that in the food also. So now let's go down here and let's go to our food card. Let's add that property item key equals to item.key. Okay, now let's go to our food card. Don't worry about those things, those red lines. Those are TypeScript issues, and we're gonna fix them in our TypeScript course. Okay, so now let's add a property called item key, and let's copy our function from here or from Firebase. If you want, you can copy it from Firebase. const delete food equals to, let's format it, and don't forget to import that. Okay, let's replace food users with food, but now I'm gonna take it from Firebase because I don't want to face the previous error. Okay, let's copy it and let's paste it here, and here is gonna be the item key, and here we're gonna type food deleted. Okay, now let's add a button to fire that function. So let's make it like here, down here. Now if we press delete here, let's change its color to make it white. Now if we press here, we should delete that food. So now let's try to delete that steak. Great, we have deleted. Let's delete that burger. Great, we have deleted. Let's delete that fries. Great, we have deleted it. That was our lesson today. I hope it's easy to you. Don't forget about those road lines because those are TypeScript issues and I don't want to waste your time fixing them, and I don't want you to get confused about them. This is the function to delete from Firebase Firestore. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.